right, here's the other one. This is the custom stone I ordered. It is in white gold with moissanite bands. It's going to be the 9.4 by 8 millimeter. Kind of a smash between a cushion and a radiant. So pretty. And I got the diamond tester as well. Test positive. Oh, and in my other video, the side stones in the morganite are moissanite, and they test positive as well. And morganite doesn't, obviously. So that's what I got today. And I'll post a couple more videos of them in different lighting. I can't put links to these because they were custom, but Flawless can customize anything. So, thanks guys.